we're refinishing the deck. We're going to start, we cleared it all off, then we're going to power wash it and restain it. So it should be a good time. Hopefully we get it done in a couple days. Power washing the deck was a good time. I enjoyed it, and now we have to wait like 3 days, I think, before we can stain it. I think we're gonna go with the same color because it'll be easier. We only have to do one coat, so we will wait a few days and then do that and update you on our progress. So we finished painting the deck. It only took about 2 hours, way less time than I thought it was going to take. We decided to get a different color. It was supposed to be slightly darker. It's pretty close, but I think it is a little bit darker.
Yeah,
we'll
a little bit.
As it dries, what it's going to turn into. It looks pretty good. We covered up all the bad spots at least, so it definitely looks better. So we'll show you our work. There's a stump in the yard that's we cut down the tree a few years ago, but we just kind of left the stump there. So we're going to use the chainsaw and take most of the stump out, get it kind of flat down, level with the ground. At least that's the plan. Hopefully that works out. Alright, so we went to start the chainsaw to take out the stump, and we realized that my dad had put the wrong fuel in the chainsaw. So now we're at Home Depot, me and Roman are at Home Depot to try to get the right fuel for the chainsaw so we can do the stump. Quick detour to Barnes & Noble. Got to give Roman a book for summer reading, but then we'll be back to get the chainsaw fixed. Yeah, well, yep. Get the right fuel in the chainsaw so we can go and get rid of that stump. Got to look at the albums while we're here. So what book are you leaning towards?
Lars Kepler, The Nightmare, yeah. It's like some Swedish author, you know what I'm saying?
Read the first one already?
Yeah, I did.
So this is the second one?
Yeah.
That's a good choice. Okay. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this is as good as it's going to get for right now. Going to need to chip away with the axe for a couple weeks. Right now we're cleaning up all the wood that we got off of it. But hopefully we could get it pretty much down and out in the next couple weeks, hitting it with the axe every day. It's a good workout too.
So we're headed to Home Depot again. We're getting, what are we getting?
Stuff to hang lights around the deck.
Yeah, we're gonna do like cute little string lights around, and we're putting in a tree, right?
A tree, yeah, the tree. We're getting a tree to replace the tree that got blown over in the storm.
One of the storms we had earlier this summer.
Yeah, so
we're getting those things, and then we have to get a couple odds and ends for other projects, and I just drove past the place.
yeah.
I guess okay,
I
we're
was
going to the front
confused
end.
about that.
Alright, we'll catch up later. I have to focus on making the right turn.
Going to the right place.
Now it's time to dig a hole for this tree we bought here. It's a
Maple.
red maple, also known as an October glory. But it's pretty large, it's about 12 feet, so it's going to take
A lot of digging.
a big hole. So I think we've got a lot of work ahead of us, so we might as well get started. Alright, so we're just trickle watering the tree right now so it gets a good long drink to encourage it to spread its roots. And Nick is, well, he's moving some of the dirt that we took out of the hole that we dug to put it in. And then we're just gonna seed this area with grass seed because it needed a little bit of grass anyways. So that's the plan. Watch now how it goes.
Right now, I'm painting the poles that the lights are going to hang from. And then we're going to drill them to the railing of the deck. And that's where the lights are going to hang. They're going to go between the poles, so it should look good. I'm going to make it to match the deck. Now we're back to the light hanging project. So we're going to take these poles, these posts, and fasten them to the existing deck posts, and then hang the lights from the top and do it around the edge of the deck.
I'll show you what lights we got. They're really cute. Home Depot was all sold out of lights because apparently everyone's making decks and stuff. But these are actually pretty cute, I think. So we got those, and then we got our hooks and some screws. So we'll see how this goes. I think it is going to work out pretty well. Back to Home Depot. We're gonna go to a different one this time to try and see if they have a different light selection than the one we were at earlier today, because we realized the lights that we bought are actually battery operated, and that's just not what we want. So we're headed to Home Depot. Fingers crossed they've got a better option for us, and if not, I guess we'll have to go to another store or something and try and find something that'll work. We found these at Home Depot. We went to the different one and we were able to get a bunch of these. I mean, they're really cute. We just realized they're glass though, so We'll have to try not to break them. Yeah, we're gonna put them up and it should be a good time. Alright, so we started putting them up and we're just adjusting the droopiness of the swoops, like, because we got to this side and we realized we had a lot more slack, like excess at the end. So we're just adjusting it all now, and we'll get the lights plugged in soon, and then we'll show y'all how it looks. So after a lot of hard work, we decided to invite a friend over to christen our new deck. So we grilled some chicken and hot dogs and sat out and enjoyed our hard work. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And we make new content that we post every Monday at 11.